In today's video, we will be showing you how to repair a broken rope on your automatic pool cover. What you'll need to complete the rope repair. Notice that the leading edge is not opening evenly on both sides. Here we will be removing the guide feed using an Allen tool. Be careful not to lose the nut on the underside of the guide. Repeat this on the other side of the pool. Once guide feeds are removed, pull the remaining rope off of the rope reel. This will allow you to pull the cover freely out of the tracks. Remove rope tabs from the sliders. This is also a good time to check for any wear on the sliders. The old rope can be used to pull the new rope into the tracks. Prep rope by first burning the location at which you intend to cut the rope. This will help to prevent fraying. Unwind the new rope to prevent knots or tangles. The side the rope is broken will need to be removed to route the rope into the track. Release the rope from the reel by using a flathead screwdriver and loosening the set screw. Now you can begin to stitch the new rope to the old rope and pull it through the track. Here we are showing the preferred method for attaching the old and new ropes. We are using a sewing awl to stitch them together. Once the rope is securely stitched, we will now pull the rope through the system until the rope tab is near the guide feed. This method is best used for replacing intact ropes. Now we will show repairing a rope that has broken inside of the track. Remove the shims using a flat edge. Now remove the retaining screw from the motor end of the track. Slide the track toward the motor end to clear the end pulley. Detach from the pool. Place track on the deck and root rope through the track. This is a good time to check end pulleys for wear. From here, we will reinstall the track with the new rope routed correctly. Route ropes properly through the mechanism, making sure the ropes are secure across the back of the housing, so as not to roll up in the cover or get stuck under the lid brackets. Reattach rope tabs to the slider. Root cover back into the track. Install the guide feeds. Pull the cover back to the stop position. Repeat these steps on the other side. With the cover completely open against stops, it is time to measure and cut ropes to length. Pull both ropes tight. Now, measure and cut the rope 7 feet past the point of the leading edge bar in the open position. Burn and cut to the exact length. Now that the rope is cut to the desired length, attach it to the rope reel. Uniformly roll ropes onto the reel. Run cover several times to confirm repair or adjustments are not needed.